Hi, my name is Lipika and I'm a student from Canada. I'm pursuing my medical sciences over there and I'm here on my vacation. He's a really good doctor. He advises a lot of things. This seminar was encouraged by a lot of people, but I came here because I've actually enrolled in many other seminars even in the past and they were not very satisfactory. When you say about theory and hands-on experience, it kind of becomes a hassle, right? Like, because you cannot get everything in such a short period of time. So in here, these 3 days have been a great experience for me because not only I got the theory, I also got the demonstration, the real tricks on how to use everything really carefully, and I was also able to do everything perfectly. Also, every course that he taught me, I was thorough on it, and even though I had any doubts, he cleared everything, even after the sessions. So this experience was a great one for me, and I prefer that you guys come over to Dr. Puneet and learn whatever he's going to teach you, because believe you me, he's the best one and he's going to tell you everything, all the advices. Thank you.